see trouble on the way. I see earthquakes and lightning. I see bad times today. Don't go out tonight when it's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. I hear hurricanes are blowing. I know the end is coming soon. I feel rivers overflowing. I feel the voice of rage and ruin. Well, don't go out tonight when it's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. All right now. Together, hope you are quite prepared to die. Looks like we're in for nasty weather. One eye is taken for an eye. Well, don't go out tonight. Well, it's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. Well, I said don't go out tonight when it's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise.
Well done, Sam, well done. Louise, what did you think of Sam's performance?
Sam, well done. It was nice to see you do something a little bit different, you know, away from like musical theatre and classical. So it was nice to see you turn your voice to something a bit different. I think it was a safe song, but obviously we spoke in the week and we said then it was a safe song. But, you know, I know you want to save your better songs as you go through the competition. But I do want to see you, you know, step out of that box now and start exploring different genres and different styles. The filming was lovely, really good quality. I like the fact that, you know, you did it in the black and white and it was really lovely. So hats off to you for that. But yeah, overall, I think it was a good performance. But I want to see a fabulous performance from you next.
Kelly, what did you think?
I like the fact that you did something a little bit different and showed us a different side, and I think it showed us that you've got the potential there now to really sort of like explore a different kind of sound for yourself. That you were putting little flips at the end of your phrases and it was quite rocky, and it would be nice to see you explore something that isn't conventionally you. So to step away from the sort of cabaret songs and the musical theatre songs and take on something a little bit more quirky, a little bit more unheard of, and maybe find your own sound, because it's coming through, but I think you just need the right song to showcase what you can actually do and take a step forward now.
Yeah, Sam, I personally feel like with this performance, it was another song that for me was safe for you. I didn't hear anything spectacular in there. I didn't hear anything different. It was exactly what I expected from Sam Archer. I want to see you challenge yourself a bit more. You've done this process before, you know, several times before. You've come into it. I don't just want you to play it safe. I actually want you to do something that you wouldn't do as an artist. And that doesn't mean going into your list of songs that you know off by heart and picking one of them. It wasn't a bad performance. It was a good performance. But I just feel like I want you to take advantage of the season by growing as an artist. And one thing that's going to do that is by exploring and trying things that you wouldn't do. Other than that, good performance, well done.